We have a triangle ABC, where sine A, sine B and sine C are the roots of the polynomial x cubed minus p plus 1x squared plus p minus qx plus q. Prove that triangle ABC is right-angled. I shall be revising the relationship between roots of polynomial and Vieta's formulae with you using this problem. At the end of the video, I shall be doing an overall summary on Vieta's formulae. So make sure that you watched until the end and do not miss out. Before we tackle this question, we might want to try a few numbers. A good starting point would be x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. We see that when x equals to 1, f of 1 equals to 0. This means that 1 is a root to f of x. Without loss of generality, let us assume that sine A equals to 1. Since A is an angle in triangle, A is restricted to be between 0 and 180 degrees. Therefore A is equal to 90 degrees. Which means that triangle ABC is right-angled. Now show that Q is non-zero. Since B and C are also angles in a triangle, they cannot be zero. Therefore, sine B and sine C are both non-zeros. At the same time, the product of roots is equal to negative Q. Since none of sine A, sine B and sine C is 0, so the product must be non-zero. In other words, Q is non-zero. Now find all the possible values of P such that triangle ABC is isosceles. Since triangle ABC is isosceles right-angled triangle, angle B and angle C are both 45 degrees. This means that sine B and sine C are both square root 2 over 2. Consider the sum of roots, this is equal to p plus 1. Now equating values of sine A, sine B and sine C, and rearranging, we get p is equal to square root 2. As I have promised, we are going to review the Vieta's formulae. For a cubic polynomial in form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, with roots alpha, beta and gamma. Then the sum of roots is equal to minus b over a. The sum of products of two roots is equal to c over a. The product of all three roots is minus d over a. This is a summary to cubic polynomial. Can you figure out the formulae for a quartic polynomial? How about the general formula for a polynomial of degree n? Leave a comment below for your thoughts. If you do not want to miss daily revision session like this one, or you want to see more mathematics problems, I want you to hit the subscribe button below so that you would not miss out any single video I post. I will see you next time.